can you run? How far can you go? What will it take to reach your fitness goals? At Seoul Fitness, we ask these questions every day. Because at Seoul, we believe that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout. So our engineers and designers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a complete treadmill line that has received consistent Best Buy reviews from consumers and review agencies alike over the past decade. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them an unparalleled smooth feeling and longevity. And to provide plenty of running room, we've made the decks wider and longer for a safe and comfortable exercise area. Additionally, the Cushion Flex suspension system decreases the impact of the run by up to 40% on your joints. This system, coupled with our Whisper deck, makes for a comfortable and quiet workout. And with a more powerful motor, you can keep your workout going strong. At Seoul, we've focused on the details, like a more informative LCD screen, which clearly displays the stats of your workout. Our treadmills also have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. And while running on incline, you can track your vertical feet climbed, in addition to speed and distance. It's extra motivation to keep you running further and climbing higher. All of our treadmills include audio inputs and integrated speakers, so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Seoul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor. Seoul treadmills provide unmatched value, quality, and longevity. Because your fitness matters. Seoul Fitness, offering the finest cardiovascular equipment around.
This is the Bowflex Results Series BXT116 treadmill. At-home cardio focused on your success, featuring quality, connectivity, technology, and motivation, all at an affordable price. The BXT116 boasts an impressive feature set to deliver results, including a 7.5-inch full-color backlit LCD display with 9 workout programs and connectivity for up to 4 individual users. It also comes with a 3.75 CHP quiet motor and 20-inch by 60-inch surface deck that enables you to run effortlessly and with a natural stride. The BXT116 also comes with top design and comfort additions, including an oversized media rack with USB charger, so you can easily view and charge your devices. Built-in hand grip heart rate tracking keeps you in the right workout zone. An automatic 3-speed fan keeps you cool. The integrated speaker sound system allows you to easily enjoy your workout music, and our ComfortTech deck cushioning system supports your longer runs. Like all Bowflex Results Series products, the BXT116 is highlighted by the brand new Bowflex Burn Rate console, which shows you the total calories you're burning every minute, pushing you to go further, faster, and achieve better results. With one-touch quick adjustments, you can immediately change speed up to 12 miles per hour, incline up to 15%, or start a customized workout of your choosing, training how you want, when you want. When your workout is finished, simply fold it up to store and save space. Then one button is all it takes to get the BXT116 ready for use with the user-friendly soft drop design. And thanks to the BXT116's enhanced Bluetooth digital connectivity, users can now set, track, and monitor their progress with the Bowflex Results Series app. And Bowflex Results Series owners have access to unique training tools like Run Social and Daily Burn. You've never experienced an in-home cardio product like this. The Bowflex Results Series BXT 116, focused on motivation, delivering on results.
Join the fitness revolution with the T4400 motorized treadmill. This treadmill is solid and built to last. Ample treadmill surface makes running or walking easy and comfortable. 6-point shock absorption system reduces the amount of joint impact while running or walking. Handrail buttons allow for speed, start, and stop controls. Multi-function backlit console displays all your essential workout information with convenient integrated smartphone and tablet holder. Receive more fitness details with the built-in Body Mass Index BMI calculator to help you determine your fitness goals. Increase or decrease your workouts with 9 integrated precision intervals. A powerful motor will reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Challenge your workout with 3 levels of manual incline. Built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Easy folding mechanism with a soft drop system makes folding and unfolding efficient and safe. Get fast, get strong, and live healthy with the T4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
The T6.5S from NordicTrack. Elevate your workout with NordicTrack's superior construction and cutting-edge technology. Bring the world to your living room with iFit. Choose from routes all over the globe, and iFit will simulate the inclines and declines of the terrain automatically. Whether it's the inclines of the French Alps or the smooth beaches of Bora Bora, because iFit will guide you and you'll get training from world-class professionals. All this is only possible with iFit. With Flex Select cushioning technology, you can enjoy a cushioned deck or a more firm deck to simulate the open road. Powered by a robust 2.6 horsepower motor that's built to last with a 25-year warranty. Increase the incline by up to 10% with the push of a button for a more challenging workout. And just as quickly, adjust the speed from 0 up to 10 miles an hour. The large 20 by 55-inch deck gives you enough room to run naturally and comfortably. Lose yourself in the music with the MP3-compatible sound system from the dual 2-inch speakers. 20 professionally designed workout apps allow you to mix up your routine anytime you want. And with the EKG grips, never lose track of your target heart rate. Not only is this frame durable, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds, but it's backed by a lifetime frame warranty. Once your workout is complete, easily fold and tuck your machine away with the Easy Lift Assist system. Take advantage of free shipping on your NordicTrack. Enjoy the gym experience without leaving your home with the T6.5S from NordicTrack.
GoPlus 2.25 horsepower fitness treadmill. Household private home gymnasium. Helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. Ideal for everyday running workout at home. You will lead healthier and happier life. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Driven by a 2.25 horsepower impulse max motor, high-quality steel frame, hold people up to 220 pounds. 16 inches by 47 inches big rubber run and go. 3 manually adjustable incline levels. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display. 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access. Focus on provide best home workout experience. GoPlus.